Hello? Hello? Naririnig ba ako? Hey guys, it's Sab and Lucky. Yes, Lucky! Ano ba? Lax! Babe tayo, babe! Nanonood sila. O sige, magpakita ka muna. Hey guys, my name is Lucky. I'm 4 months old. Napakakulit. Tignan mo. Kailangan pinapansin mo parati. Anyway, hey guys, it's Sab and welcome back to another video. For today, we will be packing my check-in luggage because I'll be flying to Tokyo in 2 days for the Eras Tour. Sobrang tagal kong hinintay tong trip na to. Ever since nanalo ko sa lottery last July, ang tagal ko na tong pinag-iipunan. This is gonna be a quick catching up also because the last time I did a sit-down video was April 2022 and February 2024 na. So, that's almost 2 years. So, ayan. Sana nakafocus ako and sana naririnig niyo ako kasi hindi ko magamit yung mic ko na lagi kong ginagamit because hindi siya compatible sa phone ko. So, ang kwento is, I woke up today with an urge to film, which never really happens. The last time it happened was a long time ago. Super dami nang nangyari. And if you guys didn't notice, medyo nag-gravitate na ako towards travel videos. It's more of like a travel diary na yung channel ko. Hindi na ako masyado nagsi-skincare videos. Although, may mga nagko-comment pa rin sa skincare vlogs ko about recommendations and if ginagamit ko pa ba daw yung mga nirecommend ko before. And the answer is yes. I stopped doing skincare reviews because nahanap ko na yung pang long term ko na skincare, which is Apotheke. Hindi na ako nag-switch ever since. And parang kawawa lang yung skin ko kasi tuwing may bagong lalabas, kailangan kong bilhin, kailangan kong reviewin. So, maliban sa nagko-cost siya ng money, parang hindi na nakontento yung face ko. Lagi na lang may bagong ini-introduce sa kanya. So, I realized na mag-stick na lang ako dun sa alam kong subok na. I leave the links down below if you guys wanna try. This is my no makeup face. Naglagay lang ako ng brow gel and konting lip tint. Walang outline ang vlog na ito. Talagang magka-catching up lang tayo dito. Because last night, it has come to my attention na may mga old viewers pala ako na nanonood pa rin until now. All this time, ang alam ko, ina-edit ko lang tong mga travel videos ko for the sake of memory keeping. It was my revenge travel era last year. 1 week kami sa Siargao. Baguio ako thrice last year. We also went to LU. And then, we went to Cebu and then Bohol. Yung Bohol, na-edit ko pa yung vlog na yun. We also went to Dumaguete and Siquijor, which is na-edit ko na din yun. But, super dami kong backlog ng vlogs. Like, hindi ko alam kung itutuloy ko pa bang i-edit yung mga luma kong videos. But, the initial plan is to go back to YouTube because hindi ko alam. Parang na-miss ko lang kausapin to over the course of pagsikat ng TikTok, which I am also guilty of. Like, I can spend hours watching. Parang hindi na masyadong napapansin yung YouTube. There was no point in making videos nung mga nakaraang months because I didn't know if anyone was watching. But then again, I still pushed out a few videos kapag may time after work, but that isn't the case nung mga nakaraang months. Ayun, whenever I had the time, nakakapag-edit ako. But then, it was more of for me and for my memory. So, hindi ko talaga in-expect na may nanonood. I mean, okay, nakapublic yung videos, right? But, hindi na siya like as palong-palo like before, like when I reviewed skincare. So, ayun, I realized na I'm not doing YouTube for the views. And I'm not here for the influence or fame, but rather to keep my memories and to relive yung mga taong kasama ko during those trips. So, ayun. Alam mo, mag-start na nga tayo kasi may pasok ako bukas. Mag-office kami kasi ang party. Shoutout sa mga ka-work ko kung nanonood kayo dito ngayon. Anyway, I have 3 maletas. This is my small, my medium, and my large. Ito yung chinek-in ko nung 1 week sa Siargao. Super siksik niya for 20 kilos. So, bumili ako ng large na American Tourister din. Na-OOC ako. Kasi gusto ko sanang bilhin yung kamukha na nitong dalawa. This is the Ellen Spinner ng American Tourister. Usapang maleta muna tayo. American Tourister talaga yung maleta ko ever since. Kasi sobrang tibay niya and sobrang ganda ng reviews. This is my first maleta ever. I saved my baon for this nung nag-US trip kami. Nag-ipon ako for this. Binili ko sa Lazada. It was previously 9,000 but I got this for 2,700. pre-pandemic. So, super mura, di ba? 9,000 siya, tapos 2,700 ko nabili. Tapos buhay pa rin siya until now. This was bought in 2019, I think. So, mga 5-6 years na siya. And, ayan, super, super nice. So, I got this, I think, last year as well. This is the Ellen Spinner. So, lahat ng mga maleta dito, online ko binili. So, I'm gonna link them down below. Because, based on experience and based on research over the years, laging mas mura online versus if bibili sa mga department store. So, yun yung tip ko sa inyo if you want to invest in a good maleta and, you know, if gusto nyo talaga mag-revenge travel, mag-invest kayo sa maleta, guys, kasi nandito lahat ng belongings nyo and if may mangyari dito, mawawala yung gamit nyo, diba? In some other place. So, parang super hassle dun. Mas okay na bumili na ng matibay ng isang beses kaysa bili ka ng bili over the years. I think ito yung gagamitin natin. This is the Airconic something. Ililink ko na lang, guys, dyan sa description box. Ganito yung itsura niya sa loob. For those of you who will be buying. Ito yung itsura niya sa loob. Super laki. Ayan. Nakikita niyo. Ayan. So, ilalapag ko lang dito habang nagkikwento ako kasi wala naman akong kasama. Anyway, yun pala yung isa sa mga kwento. I moved out 5 months ago. I was planning to do a vlog about moving out because like, that was all the rage before. Like, ayun, medyo sanay naman kasi akong mag-living alone. If you guys watched my previous Sipale vlogs. Nung era na yun kasi mag-isa na akong namumuhay. So, wala na din to sa akin. Need ko lang talagang mag-move closer to my work. And need ko rin matuto maging independent. Oh my gosh, super dami ng glitters. Anyway, mag-start na tayo mag-pack. This is what I'll be wearing on the way. So, nasa carry-on ko. This is a Kenneth Cole Reaction na winter coat. There's that. You'll see that on my Instagram. So, dyan muna siya sa chair. This is my Ear Store outfit by the time you're watching this. I'm sure nakanood na ako. So, pwede ko na siyang hindi itago. If you guys have watched the Ear Store film or any Ear Store TikTok for that matter, alam nyo na, ito yung the man outfit. These are the matching boots that I got from Shein. This is my first and last time buying because ang dami kong naririnig na masasamang things about Shein but wala kasing ganito yung itsura sa Shopee. Uy, nakafocus ba? Ayan, ganito yung itsura niya. So, I think medyo gets nyo na. And also my nails. Ayan, nagpa-manicure talaga ako ng kasing color niya. So, ayan. And then, I also bought thermal na skin tone. Is that what you call it? Because wala akong makita sa Uniqlo na skin tone na heat tech. Eh, lagi akong heat tech talaga. So, I don't know. Awa ng Diyos, kasya naman to sa akin. Hindi ko inakalang magkakasya siya. Lalo yung height, because matangkad ako. And pasaks siya, guys. Ililink ko na lang din to in the description box. This shoe bag is from IKEA. This is 40 pesos lang. Dapat bumili pa ako ng ganito, no? Kasi plano ko pang bumili ng shoes doon. Ang dadalhin ko lang na shoes is the man boots ko and yung Converse na isusuot ko. 1/4 na siya ng maleta. Tingnan mo eh. 1/4 na siya ng maleta. What the heck? Anyway, going back, I just have these 3 packing cubes. Nakuha ko lang to free from Uniqlo. This is my dress. Pag pumunta kaming Team Lab, I got this from the Zara sale. Originally, 2,995. And I got it for 250. Nagpunta ako sa year-end sale nila before, nung November. Thank you sa friend ko na nag-share ng sale details noon because dami kong nabili. And then next, a long black skirt. I usually wear in the office. And then this is a backup dress. Baka i-announce niya yung Reputation, yung favorite kong era. Reputation is so me. My favorite color is black, by the way. So, it's so me talaga. Yung parang bad bitch, pero deep inside, softy. Ganon. Kasi before, di ba nung Kanye era, nawala lahat ng post niya sa Instagram. And then, biglang, all of a sudden, biglang may nag-notif na may post siya. Tapos parang hindi ko mawari kung snake ba siya o dragon. Nung time na yun, super daming haters ni Taylor. Like, lagi siyang sinasabihan na jowa siya ng jowa, napakalandi niya, palipat-lipat siya sa lalaki. Dinala ko tong backup dress in case something happens with my original dress. And malay mo, mag-announce nga si Taylor ng rep. We're also going to Tokyo Disney Sea. As a Disney girl, of course, we have to go. I'm just wearing this Disneyland sweater. Pasalubong sa akin ni Natita last year. Long skirt. Mas okay mag-long skirt kapag maghi-heat tech ka sa loob. Minsan kasi pag nagle-layer ako na heat tech leggings, tapos nun denim pants, parang naiinis ako. Gupitin lang natin to. The North Face gloves from Judge's roommate. Buti umabot to. Ayan, that's what it looks like. Another thing na i-share ko rin pala, hindi ko siya masyadong ina-address. Hindi ko naman siya kailangan i-share. Wala. Ayoko lang. May nag-comment sa Dumaguete City Horror video ko, which is first time kong maging open. Shout out kay Alisa Cuevas 8398. Siguro birthday niya August 3, 1998. Sabi niya, naging jowa mo po pala si Kuya Judge. Hehehehe. Last na watch ko sa videos niyo, parang friends pa. Huhuhu, so happy. Kaya parang ang full circle kasi the last time I filmed a video was with my friends in Boracay back in April 2022. So, kaming 5, iba-iba na kami ng lugar at the moment. Looking back, buti na lang finilm ko yung video na yun, no? Cause na-capture niya yung friendship naming 5. Very special sa akin yung trip na yun because yun yung trip na sinagot ko si Judge after 3 years niyang panliligaw. Which is another story for another time. Siguro pag nandito siya, first anniversary namin ay sa Boracay din with Ellie. So, kaming 3. Shoutout kay Ellie. Miss ko na si Ellie. Hindi na kami lumalabas. I-chat ko nga yan mamaya. So, ayun. Touch lang ako kasi may iba rin palang nakapansin. Shinare ko lang siya sa social media nung nag-first anniversary na kami. Which is a very, very long story. 10 years na kami magkakilala. Ayun, parang lahat naman ng tao sa paligid namin. I think alam naman na nila, right? Sa second anniversary, sana kami sa Boracay. But long distance na kami ngayon. He lives in New York now and I'm still here in Manila. Sobrang daming nangyari which is the reason din but hindi ako nakapag vlog. Also, I adopted a cat. His name is Lucky. Ang sakit! Oh my gosh! Hi everyone! My name is Lucky. I'm 4 months old. Lucky is my first cat. Inadopt ko siya from Cats of BGC, particularly yung Samgyup Salamat near our office. It turns out yung owner pala ng Samgyup Salamat sa may office namin ay nagre-rescue ng cats. So Lucky is a rescue cat. His name is Lucky because yung buong pamilya niya ay nasagasaan and siya lang yung natira. Si Rashdi ang nagbigay ng pangalan ni Lucky. So, hi Rashdi, if you're watching. Work bestie ko din yun si Rashdi. Hello ka kay Tito Rashdi mo. Siya nagbigay ng name mo. Nag-iisip ako ng name ni Lucky nun. Tapos sa name na Lucky siya nag-respond. So, ayan. Doon na tayo sa mga heat tech stuff. So, I have this heat tech na wool scarf na walang dulo. Gets nyo ba? Like that. Mahalaga kasi guys na heat tech yung mga gamit nyo. Before hindi ako naniniwala. Cause like, akala ko G lang. Basta naka-jacket ako. Pero nung unang beses kong maka-experience ng winter, ay hindi siya joke. Sobrang nakaka-distract nung lamig. Akala ko nung una, like parang aircon lang. Hindi pala ganon, masakit pala. Another heat tech scarf. This is also for Uniqlo. Uniqlo din to guys. And then last, hindi to heat tech, but this is my first designer scarf. This is a Burberry scarf. First time ko itong isusuot sa trip na to. Matagal ko na siyang nabili. From Season Pass, nagkaroon ng thrift market sa Capitolio last year. And I got this for 500 pesos. An original Burberry. Looks nice. Wala pa akong ganitong kulay. So, I got it. But gusto kong magkaroon ng OG Burberry colorway. So, ayan. More heat tech. Ay, ito pala ay 32 degree heat. 32 degree heat. Nakikita nyo ba? Sana nakikita nyo? Sobrang nipis niya. And then, ito. Heat tech extra warm. Yun yung parang pinaka nakakainit nila na variant. And then, heat tech na long sleeve. Ayan. Long sleeve. Ang hack ko guys sa Uniqlo, if medyo ka-built nyo ako ng katawan, this fits me perfectly. Sakto lang yung pagkahapit niya. Ako ay size 160 sa Uniqlo Kids. So that's the largest size. Mas mura yung mga heat tech. Actually, mas mura yung mga damit in general sa kids section ko. May mga nabibili akong Disney Uniqlo merch. Nakasya sa akin kasi 160, 150 ako. So, that's the hack. Ito, kakabili lang. Heat tech Mame Kuro Gochi. I think it's Japanese. Ayan, I'm in the size large and naswertahan ko lang to kasi nakasaya siya for 590. Super love ko talaga yung heat tech guys. Kung pupunta kayo somewhere na malamig, it's a must. Ito kasi wala pa ako nung parang scoop neck. Minsan kasi super naiinitan ako kapag nagsa-scarf. So para makapag-scarf pa rin ako. May mga outfits kasi na hindi bagay yung hanggang dito na neckline. Ito 32 heat din. Pero manipis kasi yung 32 heat. Ito yung nabibili na heat tech sa Costco. This is almost everything. OMG, malulubat na ako. Bilisan na lang natin. I also brought, of course, friendship bracelets. Konti lang siguro yung ma-exchange ko. Excited na ako mag-trade ng friendship bracelets ko. Notebook from Zed. Hi, TC Zed. If you're watching, Christmas gift niya sa aming lahat po. And then ito, 13 na stickers sa kamay. Ayan, para hindi ko na poproblemahin yung pagsulat ng 13 na marker. So, ililink ko na lang tong lahat ng to down below. Kasi pati yung mga friendship bracelets ko, binili ko sa Shopee. This is my last pouch. More thermal socks. Bibili pa ako ng thermal socks dun. And then, tapies. Yung aking travel iron. 100 to 240 volts. Kasi travel iron siya. Nabili ko to dati sa TJ Maxx. Kapag madalas na kayong mag-travel, mag-invest na kayo sa travel na iron. Tapos, ang kunin nyo is yung, kaya yung 110 and yung 240 para kahit saang country kayo pumunta, pwede siya. I think, mag-finish up lang ako dito. But, that's it for this video. Thank you everyone for watching and see you on the next video. Bye!
To say